Hello everyone, welcome to Playwright series. Today's topic is headed versus headless execution. Headed and headless change how the browser runs, not how the code works. Headed execution means the browser UI is visible. You can see clicks, navigations, and page loading. This is best when learning, debugging, and recording demos. Headless execution means the browser runs without UI. It is faster and consumes less memory. This is ideal for CI/CD pipelines. Headless does not change automation behavior. If a test fails only in headless mode, the issue is usually timing or environment. Playwright supports both modes equally. Use headed for visibility, use headless for reliability and speed. Here in the sample script, if you see, I've used a variable is headless false, which means we can see the UI. If I provide true, we cannot see the UI. So when I run Cogmento login page is shown. We are able to see the login page. If you see, we are able to see the Cogmento login page. If I press enter, application will be closed. If I give true, we cannot see the UI, but still the application is open and we get the output whether it is printed means headless mode is enabled or disabled. So if I run now, you will see the difference. We do not see the application, but in the background it is opened and printed the output. If you see execution mode headless, which means the application is running in the background. If I press enter, application will be closed. During development, always use false. For learning also, we will use false. But in real time, in real projects, we use true, so that all the executions in CI/CD will be much faster. Execution mode should match the purpose, not preference.